Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today's video will be about Slack. Slack is a communication platform that allows teams to collaborate and stay connected, especially when working remotely. It's like a virtual office where you can send messages, share files, and even make video calls. So let's head to the website and create our account. So you can sign up with your email or sign up with Google. I prefer signing up with Google. So after you agree on Slack's terms and privacy service, you head to the website and so one of the best thing about Slack is that it's very easy to use. You can create different channels for different topics or projects and invite team members to join them. This way, everyone can stay informed and up to date on what's happening. You can also send direct messages to individuals or groups, which is great private conversation. So let's get started. Let's create a workspace. It's a new way to communicate with everyone you work with. Slack also has a lot of useful features, like the ability to integrate with other tools you might use for work, such as Google Drive or Trello. You can also customize notifications so you only get alerted for the message that are important to you. So to begin with, what's the name of your company or your team? So let's say Akatsuki. Next, what's your name? So Madara created the Akatsuki. You can put your profile picture, help your teammate to get to know who's who they are talking with. So click on next. The profile picture is optional. Add coworkers by emails. You can add from Google Contacts or you can just send invite link. So I'm gonna skip this step. Yes, skip. I don't have coworkers. What's your team working on right now? Uh, Secret project. Next. So it's like Discord but more official. So overall, Slack, I don't know. Slack is a great tool for teams who needs to communicate and collaborate, especially when you are working remotely. It's user friendly, flexible, and has a lot of useful features that make it popular choice for business on of all sizes. So here you can add a message to the secret projects group or channel. What did I type? So Slack keeps your work conversations quick and at the point. So how to delete the message? Here, you can react, reply, and you can delete. Yeah. You can just click on delete and delete the message. You can turn notification for replies. And let's head to the settings. I think they are here. Profile preferences. So the profile settings. So just here are the profile settings. You can add name, pronunciation, the email, the phone number, and you can set status to be active or do not disturb or any profile. So that's apps, people and user of this group, files, channels, draft, mention, later, later list, and others. So let's look for the settings page. I think it's right in front of me, but I don't see it. Here, the preferences are the settings. We are strongly recommend enabling notification. So you can enable desktop notification, mobile, or any type of notification. Also, you can enable email notifications. Here, you can edit the sidebar. So you can add or delete some of those categories. Here we have the theme. You can enable the light or the dark, and you can choose one of the clean and minimal themes or the bright and cheerful. Here we have the message and media, the language and region and time zone, keyboard. We have sensibilities, animations, link, the markers, read system, audio and video control. So you can send vocal messages as the website asks for microphone. Here you can connect your accounts, Facebook, Instagram, or Google. Here we have the privacy and visibility of your account and your channels. And here the advanced settings. And that's it. You can start your business group chat in this website and talk in out on real time. So as I said, it's like Discord on a website for a company. So that's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.